this out. I'm actually going to aerial yoga. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even think I could do a walkthrough because I'm super duper late. So I think I just have to honestly get into this and see where we go. Not a fan, not a fan of my hair, as I can say. It's cute, but I feel like I would like it better if it was curled. I have to either straighten it or something else. I don't know, but we'll see. And then if I have a white cast on my face, which I also don't like, so we'll see. Hopefully the finished product will be okay. But we're just doing the most fastest and quick beat. I be using LaRoche-Posay. Hold on. The LaRoche-Posay sunscreen, moisturizer to my eyebrows. I'm really hoping that this is a nice, calm beat. I have the Milk primer, but I think I'm allergic. And honestly, I'm allergic to most likely everything because the way that I know that I'm allergic to it is something in it is that my face be burning. That's so naughty. So our appointment for yoga is at 12:30 and I won't get there till 11:19, but I live an hour plus away. So the commute is definitely something to look at. I might just take these out. That's just that I need. Too much stuff going on, but what do I want to do? But everything that I use that I literally don't or won't talk about because I'm rushing is going to be linked in my bio or my description, whatever you call it. But I like this side. This side just looks a little, on the camera it don't look insane, but looking forward they're so uneven. I'm gonna probably fix it. I'm gonna try to fix it. See what I got. Like, I actually don't mind this side because it really gives that soft, fluffy look, which I really like. You guys are gonna see me look this way because my mirror is right there. That's that. Other than that, so I'm in a phase right now, guys, where I'm really just spreading my wings, figuring out things that I want to do, things that I like to do, and everything, which is why I'm super excited to be going to yoga. I'm actually meeting up with a friend from college, and this is our first time meeting up, which I'm really excited about. Really, really sweet girl, and I'm just here for the vibes. I'm just excited. So I heard aerial yoga. I don't know if you guys know, but aerial yoga is the one where you're on a tightrope or a curtain rod. I don't know. You on something. You swinging in the air and whatnot. And oh my god, the time just went up to 11:22. Yeah, you're basically swinging in the air. And I heard it's very core driven, which I'm down for because this allows me to skip a gym day because I'm technically going to the gym. But my eyes are so teary. I got my lashes done the other day. Freaking love them. However, my eyes are very irritated right now. I already spoke to my lash girl and I was kind of scared to put, what's the thing called? I was scared to put eye drops in, but they're irritated because I think my eye was kind of open when they tape your eye down and stuff. I think when she taped my eye down and stuff, I think my eye was still, I was forcing my eye open like a weirdo. So, but I'm basically, ooh, this is the It Concealer. I have to refresh on my makeup. Hold on, can y'all see it? I have to refresh on my makeup because this faded to the point that it's basically my skin color-ish. So I can use this as my under eye concealer or I can use it as foundation. Right now, I'm using it as a color corrector because I got all these little blemishes in different places. I like my mole. What am I doing? I have the Fenty, this is Eaze Drop Blur and Tint Stick. It's in the shade 20. Not gonna lie, Rihanna is my girl. Can't lie, that's the girl. That's big sis. However, I think her products are just very orange and everything. And in certain, I feel like you can see it. In certain spots of my face, I could be recognized as orange, but I'm really actually olive. So a lot of brand kind of tailored toward if you have a red undertone or if you have a yellow or not yellow, or if you have orange undertones. When it comes down to people who have the yellow and the olive, it's really hard. So sorry. The products that I tend to use is NARS. But for some reason, I don't think NARS is trying to be my bestie right now. I'm flabbergasted. I don't think NARS is messing with me because I went and the colors that I usually would get from my past, they don't match at all. And I bought one, brought it home, and it looked insane. I said, my lord. I think it was like caddis and then Carcass, and then somebody else's friend. But when I say this is the most fastest yet light beat, it is what it is. But ooh, who else does olive? NARS does not do olive. MAC is more so red, orange as well. And I know this stuff because I worked at Ulta and I tested basically every product known to man. So I may disagree, and that's totally fine. But that's just my opinion. I think those are the products that are mainly like yellow. Orange. I'm not gonna lie, I'm starting to feel my hair. I'm starting to feel it. I'm starting very, very much low key. But I went the other day, what's that brand? Too Faced, they had a sale at Ulta and it was cool and all. However, the products, it was too chalky for me, to be honest. But again, that's just me. Again, I'm going in with the Juvias place. I don't even know what color palette this one is. Volume 4. And I usually go in with this one and then I tap this one just to give you a little razzle dazzle, right? And then I put this all on before I do my concealer, because I actually found that it actually blends out very pretty, and which I like, and it doesn't come off too harsh or aggressive in the end. So I pack it on a little bit. This is the first time I'm doing a rush video. Not even a rush video, just I'm rushing but doing a video. But the other brand that I would say that is pretty much olive and they help with people who have yellow undertone is Estee Lauder. What? Estee Lauder, is this Lancome? Yeah, Estee Lauder. So this is the one I'm using. If you guys see this, probably like the Futurist Soft Touch Brightening Skin Concealer in 5N. What? This is my home girl. My thing is, this is a medium coverage one. They say it's full coverage. I don't remember. I think this is medium coverage. But the good thing about medium coverage is you can always build up. So I never get upset when I get something that is medium coverage, because depending on the day, depending on who I feel like being, I can get a full look, I can get a soft look, I can pick whatever I want to do. So, oh my god, that was way too close up there. But I wish I had more stuff to talk to you guys about. I really just don't be knowing for real. So, y'all can see I'm putting these in the normal spots that you'll put your concealer at. May have to do. My thing is, today's just a chill day, but I still want to look nice. That's been my thing, my go-to lately, is just whenever I do go outside, just to still look nice, even if you're doing errands. This is the Hourglass Espresso Contouring Stick. Go-to. I used to always use the Juvias place. Hold on, I gotta concentrate. I used to always use the Juvias place. She cute, but I think I just use her more so if I'm going for a no makeup look. So this one is soft beat, but the Juvias one is like, I'm going to work and we have a little function and I don't want to do too much, but I'm gonna do enough. So I'm gonna show y'all my go-to combination. So I'm using the Morphe continuous setting mist, and then I'm also using the Charlotte Tilbury, what is this, AirBrush setting spray. I combine these two in order to give me the dewiness to blend. What? Y'all know nothing about this. Y'all don't know nothing about that combo. No, I'm not gonna lie. I saw somebody do it on TikTok. So just did that. But I'm just really excited for just opening up, hanging out with people and everything. I want to start doing things where it's like I can do it by myself. So I want to go to the aquarium. I've been wanting to go to the aquarium. I wanted to go to the aquarium since like 2020. Like I just wanted to go to the aquarium. I've been to the zoo. So I just want to do adventurous type of things in my country. I'm quick to take a flight and go somewhere and do whatnot. But I just think that if I do things here, figure myself out. What do I want to do? I like the things where people be going to the lip labs and stuff, but I also don't want to do everything that's so, I don't even know the word for it. I don't want to do the thing that everybody is doing, because it's like, all right, oh, y'all gonna be there? I like my peas. Sure like my peas. But, all right, so, hold on. Have you ever loved somebody so much you cry? This is my favorite part. So this is what I saw on TikTok too. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Finishing Powder. I got in the color 3. Looks like so. And basically you can use this to set your makeup. Like set it. But then you can also use it to refresh it. So that's the part that I freaking love about it. Oh my god. So I'm gonna put it in all the area that I put my, concealer. And then after you do that, that's like, I feel like y'all need to really get in there and say it. It's the best thing. When I saw someone do it, I said, my Lord. There's no way. Oh, they use it. So every place that you do your translucent powder, that's where you put your finishing powder. So you're setting your face. But I do my nose because I don't put makeup on my nose. That's my weird thing. You're welcome. I don't put makeup on my nose. I don't like it. I put contour. I just didn't do it just now. But hold on. I'm going to do it in a second. I'll just tap that in. Let's get the nose real quick. So this one is where I actually do take. Actually, no. I'm going to take the Hourglass again. Dab a little bit in there. Go very softly. I get a little bit right there. We're going to do a little brown shadow today. But we're going to do that. We're going to bake first. I don't know if I'm going to bake with white or yellow. Maybe a combination. I don't think I want to do white. I'm scared for it to come off chalky. I feel like y'all can see the irritation in my eye if I look up too hard. I'm gonna hit that straight. Try to get out there. Go like that. I'm so sad because I gotta leave them with you. I want to be able to really dive into my outfit. I know what I'm wearing. I don't know what I'm wearing, but I know what I'm wearing. I have clothes out, and I know whichever I do choose, it's gonna look really nice. But that's not the point. The point is that I want to know exactly what it is I'm wearing. All right, so this is the part where I really get down with my Juvias. So this is Juvia in the dark color. I take the top shade, and I take this bad boy, and I'll put it right here. So as I'm baking, I get me a little shadow going on. I don't want to irritate my eye anymore. As much as I want to do dark liner underneath my eyes, can't do it. Dang, the time is just going up. Let me see if I reset it. Let's go to jail. What you gonna do for me? So I just go in. I don't do a lot. I try my best not to get into my lid because when I do I just got my lashes done, so it's gonna be harder for me to wash them and everything. But watch them. Watch. Y'all see that color? Soft beat. Little soft beat. Alright, so my thing is this part, y'all probably like, yo, it's different. I like to clean up while I'm working. That's how I am when I cook too. I don't like to have to clean up later. It ruins my actual piece. So I'm putting away everything that I use. Again, everything that I use will be in my description. Well, with this. What's the other one? Brush. Where's the angled brush? I just like to clean it up because everything starts making sense. All right, so we're still baking a little bit. Girl, it says 11:40. That's still fine because I don't have to be there till 12:30. But I don't like it. I'm about doing blush. So we're gonna hit. Let me dust this off first. My mom gonna come in here talking about something. I like your foundation. My mom don't get yet that this is prepping. So whenever I do her makeup and I do the translucent powder, she open up her eyes and she'll be like, Tyler, I don't like my makeup. I don't like the fact that I look like a ghost. I'm like, Mom, this is part of the process. Sit back, lay back, and watch the show. She's like, no, I don't like it. I don't want you to make me look crazy. I don't want to look crazy. Mom, you think I'm going to let you look crazy? Be for real. Even though I have time and I got to straighten or curl my hair, and I think I might try to curl it. That's another battle. I just feel like it is what it is at this point. All right, so here's another one. I like the Anastasia a lot. Charlotte Tillbury. I sprayed that bad boy to really get her all in there. I take, I don't even know who this is. Oh, Anastasia Impecable's new Mystic Map Spray. Fight for yourself. Save yourselves. Gonna go with this bad boy. Lens size. Y'all, so this is the outfit. I wore it with the jacket most of the time. Fashion Nova 8 with this one. So this is all the jewelry that I wore on my nails for the event. You can see that. The full outfit. Other than that, it was a complete vibe. To the T. I freaking loved it. Wore it with the Nike Vomero sneakers. Super cute. Those are literally one of my favorite sneakers at this point. I love being a girl's girl. I like doing girly things. Other than that, it was a super blast. No lie. That's about it for today. I didn't vlog it. I have videos on my phone, but they're not in a mode where I can post these videos on YouTube. So at this point, I don't know. But today was actually, it was cold-ish, but it was more so cool. So it would have been dope if I did bring my camera because then I would be able to record things and it would look like much better. But it is what it is. But thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys soon.